Welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is sambar. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your family and friends. Indian cuisine is very diverse and each region has their own way of preparing the same dishes. Sambar is no exception to this and is prepared in so many ways in South India. There are different ways sambar is made, but this is how I make it at home. A typical South Indian sambar recipe calls for a lot of vegetables like pumpkin, bottle gourd, drumstick, eggplant, cucumber, ladyfinger, sweet potatoes, onion, and tomatoes. The choice of vegetable is based on personal liking and are optional. Each vegetable leads a different flavor and taste. So let's get started. Firstly, the dal is rinsed well and soaked for an hour or two. We'll soak 2 dal and a gram dal for 1 hour. Now secondly, while the dal gets soaked, we'll cook our vegetables. We'll pressure cook our veggies until they turn tender and soft. I've added salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and give it a 2 whistle. Meanwhile, we'll pressure cook our dal. We'll add turmeric, salt and pressure cook it for until 4 whistles. These are our boiled veggies. We'll mash our dal. Mash it well and add it to the veggies. Lastly, we will be doing an aromatic tempering to give a final touch to our sambar. For that, we'll crackle some mustard seeds, curry leaves. Let it crackle, then add some onions and green chilies. Saute for 2 minutes, then break some red chilies, whole red chilies. We'll add 1 chopped tomatoes. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add a little garlic paste, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Add salt as per your taste. Add coriander powder. Add sambar powder. This spice powder is the key to make a good sambar. Add a lot of sambar powder, at least 2 tablespoons. Then add the mixed veggies and lentil into the pan. Add 2 teaspoon of sugar and some tamarind water. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. I've got some fresh curry leaves, so I've tempered it with fresh curry leaves, coriander, and it's ready. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.